Hi everyone. All right, this is a real quick video for today. I just wanted to show you how to turn off AI images on Pinterest. And if your feed is full of AI images, you're not alone. This just the spammers have started filling it up. And not only spammers, there are a lot of bloggers who use AI images now, which I don't like. A lot of people don't like it. And if you want to turn them off, Pinterest does have a tool that detects them and lets you turn them off. So let's go into the settings and I'll show you where to turn that on. This is my Artisan Shopping Directory Pinterest account. I have multiple Pinterest accounts. And if you go up here to the top right and you click on this down arrow, you can find your settings, which is right here. So click on your settings and this will take you into the settings. You're going to go down here to say refine your recommendations. This is on the left-hand side. And then you're going to go over here to Gen AI interests. They added this recently, and if you turn yours on, everything is going to be turned on by default, which means that you are going to be shown AI images in these categories. And they keep adding more categories. For a while, they did not have food and drinks involved because they said that was the hardest one to figure out if it was an AI image or not. But this has shown up now, so you can turn them off. So what you want to do is go in and just turn all of these off. And as you do it, you can see at the bottom, it says turned off. You'll start seeing fewer. And Pinterest does not do a 100% perfect job with this. You might still see some AI images come through, but the things that they have tagged as AI will not be shown in your feed. You will not have to look at that stuff. You won't have to wonder, how did they do that? Because you know that it's impossible and you don't get to see the AI stuff anymore. Now, like I said, Pinterest is not 100% perfect with this. Sometimes they tag things that are not AI as AI, and sometimes they let AI slip through. But this is greatly going to reduce the amount of things that you have to look at in your feed that are AI, and it's just nice. Now, if one of your pins gets tagged with created by AI or whatever it is, you'll be able to see that on the pin. It's in the bottom left, I believe. It'll have a little AI indication on it. If it's not an AI picture, then you can submit that for an appeal to Pinterest. There is an actual category now for my pin was tagged as AI when it's not. So you can submit that and they'll take a look at it. But if you're using mock-ups, that could be indicated as being an AI thing. So that's a different type of problem. And it's something that you're going to have to deal with. So maybe create your own mock-ups. I don't know. I think if you get things from mock-up sites, they can pretty much identify those as being AI. That's a different problem that we can talk about another time. But in the meantime, just go turn all this off. You won't have to see it in your feed. And it makes your feed a lot more fun and nicer when you're not looking at fake stuff. So leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.